The challenges to low-level air defense have been growing for years, but air attacks in the future will overwhelm existing defenses and destroy the resources they protect. Faced with surprise assaults, standoff enemies, unmanned aircraft, and anti-radiation missiles, low-level air defense now has two tasks: defend your assets and defend itself. Oerlikon Contravis has been defending the skies for 80 years. We're the world's leading contractor in low-level air defense, with partners and customers in 40 countries. As part of the powerful Rheinmetall Group, we produce an advanced range of integrated fire controls, guns, ammunition, and missiles. And today, we present Sky Shield 35 Ahead, the future's most lethal air defense solution. Sky Shield 35 Ahead includes a proven fire control unit with a command post that's linked to an advanced sensor unit capable of detecting and tracking small, fast-flying targets. At the killing end is a pair of rapid-fire 35mm revolver guns. Their unique muzzle velocity measurement and programming coils activate the lethal new Ahead ammunition. Sky Shield's open architecture software permits the guns and acquisition tracking units to be used in different configurations and to network with nearby fire control units and other weapons. With simple reloading and maintenance in the field, Sky Shield needs only an easily trained two-man operating crew. Because both the gun and sensor unit are remotely operated, personnel are fully protected. Sky Shield 35 is air transportable and can be rapidly deployed. Standard setup is fast and easy. It's also available in trailer and mobile modes, as well as this naval configuration being test-fired. But whatever setup is used, Sky Shield 35 is absolutely lethal to threats both old and new. In this scenario, a surprise attack is underway. The first wave of threats are terrain-hugging cruise missiles. Moments later, anti-radiation missiles come streaking in from above, intent on wiping out the air defense system. The third wave includes fighter bombers and unmanned aircraft firing precision-guided ammunition from a standoff position. Sky Shield's integrated search radar detects incoming attackers. Its program automatically evaluates the threats. The tracking radar instantly locks on to the most dangerous target. The two operators managing the air battle fire a deadly burst. The tracking sensors, including radar, TV, FLIR, and a laser rangefinder, are effective in severe ECM and weather conditions. Sky Shield can handle up to 20 engagements with its stored ammunition, a vital survival factor against future threats. The Sky Shield 35mm revolver guns and their ammunition handling system are proven performers. Each gun firing at 1,000 rounds per minute with muzzle velocities up to 1,400 meters per second and unmatched vertical movement. But Sky Shield's performance is dramatically enhanced by the Ahead ammunition system. To ensure precision targeting during a burst, the velocity of each Ahead shell is measured electronically by the first two muzzle gauges. The velocity is instantly computed with the speed of the approaching target. The shell's exact flying time is then programmed through the front magnetic coil to the timer in the shell's base fuse. In flight, the timer counts down in milliseconds until it reaches a point 10 to 30 meters in front of the approaching target. The fuse then ignites the ejection charge, releasing a deadly payload of heavy metal pellets. The pellets, stabilized by the shell's 60,000 RPM rotation, form a spinning cone of steel that blasts the target with devastating effect. A typical 24-round burst completely covers the anticipated target zone of an approaching missile or aircraft, with over 3,600 sub-projectiles. With their extreme kinetic energy, the pellets produce extraordinary penetration, even at acute angles of impact, as demonstrated in these live firings, which show how the Ahead ammunition has ripped through the densely packed insides of both missiles and aircraft armor. Sky Shield 35 Ahead clearly outperforms competing systems. It is more mobile, modern, and easily integrated. It has minimal manpower requirements and multi-platform flexibility. Compared with 40mm guns and proximity shells, the Sky Shield 35mm gun and Ahead ammunition combine higher muzzle velocity, triple the rate of fire, and heavier fragments. Unlike proximity shells, the cone of heavy Ahead pellets is focused forward on the target. Sky Shield delivers more payload per burst, extreme kinetic energy, and enormous penetrating power. Most important, Sky Shield will handle overwhelming attacks and deliver the highest kill ratio against all present and future threats.